Gama supu Igbo, Igbo amaka susala namo. Agama supu Igbo, kai subi Igbo ni Igbo amaka. Agama supu Igbo, Igbo amaka susala namo. Agama supu Igbo. Nọ na klaasị anyị nke tata ụmụ akwụkwọ njem ọnụ. Nọ na klaasị anyị nke tata. You're welcome to today's class. You're most welcome. No. Ezigbo ụmụaka. So in the last class, we learned some vocabulary development words associated with family. Family. How do we say family in Igbo? Can you remind me? Ezinụlọ. Izatara ya gị nwa aka. Family in Igbo is ezinụlọ. So when you want to say my family, how can you say it in Igbo? Ezinụlọ mụ, ezigbo nwa kọrọ nwa gị aka. Ọzọ kwakwa. So family in Igbo is ezinụlọ. Now talking about words associated with family, okwu gbasara ezinụlọ. Okwu ndị gbasara ezinụlọ. We've learned how to say father in Igbo. How do we say father in Igbo? I didn't say my father. You know you always model it up. My father. I asked now, how do we say father? Father. Nna ezigbo nwa gị nwa aka. Nna. Then when you want to say my father, it becomes Nam kọrọ nwa gị aka. Ọzọ, it becomes Nam. Then we've also learned how to say sorry. I was going to say the answer. We've also learned how to say mother. Mother in Igbo. How do we say mother? I didn't say my mother. Mind you, I did not ask my mother. How do we say mother in Igbo? Nne ezigbo nwa gị nwa aka. Then how do you say my mother? This time, the first time I asked mother alone. Now how do we say my mother? Nem ezigbo nwa gị nwa aka. Nem. We've learned how to say father in Igbo. We've learned how to say mother in Igbo. And then we've also learned how to say brother and sister. How do we say brother in Igbo? Nwanne nwoke ezigbo nwa ankọrọ gị aka ọzọ. Ankọrọ gị nnukwu aka. Gị nwa aka. Then how do we say sister? Nwanne nwanyị. When you say nwanne nwanyị, nwanne, I've taught you about we've not done what do we call it again? Pronouns, nochiaha. Pronouns in English, nochiaha in Igbo. Alright, we are still going to treat pronouns in detail. Is that okay? But then I've taught you about or mo. Or mo. I'll teach you when to use mo, when to add you to it to be more emphatic. I'll teach you when to use mo when to use when we get to pronouns. Is that okay? So when you say nwanne nwoke, nwanne nwanyị, that means brother. That means sister. But when you say nwanne, I've not taught you that. Nwanne, you just said nwanne. You didn't add nwanne nwoke or nwanne nwanyị. You just said nwanne. What does that mean in English? Nwanne. That's what I'm going to teach you today. This word nwanne. This word nwanne or nwanne. That's what we are going to learn today. Nwanne. And then bubble it. Nwanne. Say nwanne. Can you scream it? Nwanne. Can you shout it again? Nwanne. Can you say it like a giant? Like a giant. Nwanne. Say it again. Nwanne. Can you say it like a robot? Nwanne. Can you whistle it like a bird? Nwanne. Again. Nwanne. Again. Nwanne. Can you shout it for me? Nwanne. Ụda ole ka ị nụrụ na nwanne? How many syllables do we have in nwanne? Can we clap it out? Nwanne. Again, nwanne. Again, nwanne. So nwanne means sibling. Nwanne means sibling. So when you don't want to emphasize it's brother, it's sister, but then the person is your sibling, you can just say nwannem. Do you understand? Nwannem na-ebe akwa. Nwannem na-ebe akwa. My sibling is crying. Nwannem na-abịa. Nwannem na-abịa. What does that mean in English? My sibling is coming. You're great. Kudos. Then when you say nwannem agaghị abịa. Nwannem agaghị abịa. What does that mean in English? My sibling won't come. Very good. Let's take our activity now. Let's take our activity. Are you good to go? Good to go. Good to go. I'm outside. So it's mosquito. Don't mind me. Are you good to go? Good to go. Good to go. Good to go. Let's take our activity. Please stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Okay, when you stand, stretch your arms, stretch your waist, your arms. Bataram akagi. Bataram akagi. Your arms, akagi, your hands. Bataram akagi. We are going to learn parts of it. Once we are done with simple commands, the next thing we'll have parts of the body, the alphabet, numbers. That's what we'll have in module 2. The alphabet, the numbers, parts of speech, so many of them. So bataram akagi. Akagi, but then I know I've mentioned aka. I've mentioned that before. Bataram ukugi, ukugi. Bataram ukugi, bataram ukugi. Have I taught you? Isim ubumi berem bisilhum. I'll teach you that. Isigi, akagi, ubu, uhu. Bataram ukugi. Are you getting ready? Bataram ukugi. Uhugi, 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 uhugi. Are you good to go now? Good to go, good to go, good to go. So let's take the word nwanne. I said nwanne means sibling. Write another bubble, make another bubble, and then write for me sibling. So nwanne means sibling. Nwanne means sibling. Nwanne means sibling. Nwanne means sibling. We're going to hop 10 times and say nwanne. Are you ready? Now let's go. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne. I'm not counting. Sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Continue. Now let's hop side by side, left and right. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Continue. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Left, right. Nwanne, sibling. Left, right. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne, sibling. Nwanne means what? Sibling means what in Igbo? Nwanne. Can you shout it for me? Nwanne. Say nwanne. Oh. Say nwanne. Oh. So sibling in Igbo is nwanne. Nwanne. Now when you say nwannem, it becomes my sibling. Are you getting it? When you say nwannem, it becomes my sibling. Nwannem, it becomes my sibling. Okay? Nwannem is what in Igbo? My sibling. Very good. Now let's spell nwanne. Let's spell nwanne. Hold on, I need to check if it captures it well. Let's spell it now. Okay. So I said when you want to say sibling in Igbo, it means one. When you want to say when you want to say my sibling in Igbo, it is one. Let's spell one. So this is a twin letter. We are going to learn the Igbo alphabet. This is a twin letter. You will take it together. All right. Let's spell one. We, this and this. This and this is in English. This is sound, and this is sound. Wo, 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 wo. We have this in Igbo too. We have this in Igbo. But when you now see them together, it becomes we. We don't have that sound in English language, but we have it in Igbo. We can have something that looks like that as a schwa sound in English, but in Igbo, we have it as we. Say we. Wash my lips. I didn't say we. Repeat after me. We. Good. Now let's spell. We, ne, one. This is Nyirodaume. So it will not sound me. Let's spell again. We, it's Nyirodaume. Ne, that's why we have it as ne. It will not be this. Nyirodaume, this letter. We'll call it Nyirodaume. It looks like vowel. Nyirodaume. Okay. We, ne. Do you know why I removed the hyphen on top? Because we have a letter that bears this as part of it. So when I put it, you look as if I mean it's this letter. We're going to learn the alphabet, okay? But it's not this. We have this in Ngo, Angara, and all that. But this is in Nyirodaume. Let's spell again. Are you good to go? Good to go, good to go, good to go. Are you good to go? Good to go, good to go, good to go. We, ne, one. Again, one. Now spell. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. One. Clap for yourself. One. And I said one means what in Igbo? In English, sorry. Sibling. Giwawaka. Now let's take simple common phrases with one. Okay? Common phrases. One. I'm going to add up both phrases and sentences. All right? So when you have one na abia, I've taught you na abia. For those in my beginners class B, I've taught you now. Those in class A, we've learned a lot of this, a whole lot of this. So if you've not joined our Igbo online class, do yourself good for your children, for yourself too. Send a DM to join, okay? So this is, I've taught you Nadia. So when you say one name Nadia, can you translate that for me in English? My sibling is coming. Give yourself a loud clap. Another one. And the bigger one. Now let's take number 2. Number 2, nwanne gị abịaghị. Nwanne gị means you or your, depending on where in the sentence you're using it. You will learn a lot of that when we get to pronouns. Nwanne gị is you. So tell me, nwanne gị abịaghị. Can you translate that for me in English? Nwanne gị abịaghị. Your sibling didn't come. Kudos. Now let's take the third one. When I give you nwanne Ngozi. Ngozi is a proper noun, so it should begin with a capital letter. Nwanne Ngozi. No. Na klasị. Nwanne Ngozi nọ na klasị. Can you translate that for me? You can do it. Can you? Ngozi's sibling is in the class. I'm so proud of you. Give yourself a sound clap. Very good. Give a marker. Ngozi's sibling is in the class. Now when I give you nwanne Adakụ na eti mkpu. Nwanne Adakụ na eti mkpu. Do you remember? Kwụsị iti mkpu. Did you remember that? So when I give you nwanne Adakụ na eti mkpu, can you translate? So translate that for me. Nwanne Adakụ na eti mkpu. Can you translate that for me? Adaku's sibling is shouting. I am so proud of you, kiddos. Adaku's sibling may be his brother or his sister, but here you don't want to indicate whether it is brother or sister. All we know is that it is Adaku's sibling is shouting. Very good, kudos. Now when I give you number 5 now, when I give you nwanne nwanne enyi m na-eme mkpọtụ. And then this one, nwanne, this is a bit longer. Nwanne m biko gbaghara m. And when I give you nwanne m biko, the first one, nwanne enyi m na-eme mkpọtụ. Do you remember? Kwụsị ime mkpọtụ. So when I give you nwanne enyi m na-eme mkpọtụ. Can you translate that for me in English? My friend's sibling is making noise. My friend's sibling, don't mind me, it's mosquito bite. Awonta. You know what we call mosquito in Igbo? Anwu, or we just say awonta. It's mosquito bite. Nwanne enyi m na-eme mkpọtụ. My friend's sibling is making a noise. Give yourself a loud clap. You're great. Kudos. And then look at the last one. It's long, but you can translate it. Yes, you can. Nwanne m biko gbaghara m. Nwanne m biko gbaghara m. Can you translate that for me? My sibling, please forgive me. Please stand up for a dancing clap. Stand up for a dancing clap. You're great. Please make sure you're dancing. Now let's play a game. I am Mr. English, you are Mr. Igbo. If I give you this phrase or sentence in English, you translate in Igbo. Are you ready? Please, at the end of, when you are done watching this video, I need you to drop for me the points you got. I know you're honest. I know all my kids are honest kids. So, I need you to drop me your comment, your score. So each question bears 5 points. Each question 5 points. Now, number one, I am Mr. English, you are Mr. Igbo. English, Igbo. English, Igbo. English, Igbo. Please say English, Igbo. English, Igbo. English, Igbo. English, Igbo. Now let's go. Are you ready? Number one. Are you ready? Number one. Now let's go. Number one is, are you ready? Remember, each question bears 5 points. Each question bears 5 points. And when I'm done asking you, I want you to ask me too. Ask me some sentences that I'm going to translate for you in Igbo. Okay, just drop in the comments. Now the question is number one. Nwanne ejike na-abịa. Nwanne ejike na-abịa. What does that mean in Igbo? Let me give you some time. Nwanne ejike na-abịa. 1, 2, 3. Have you answered? Ejike's sibling is coming. Did you get it right? Did you get it? If you did, kudos. So you've gotten 5 marks if you got it right. 5 points. Now the second one is nwanne m nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Nwanne m nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. What does that mean in English? Nwanne m nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. What does that mean in English? My sibling is in school. Did you get it right? Did you get it right? Another 5 points. If you didn't get it right, do not collect my 5 points. Please, do not collect my 5 points. Nwanne m nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. So that's a total of 10 points. That's if you are right. Now the third question, remaining one more question. So I came with 20 points. 20 whooping points. 20 good points. Now the third one is, are you ready? If you're ready, say English Igbo. If you're ready, say nwanne mo. Now let me give you the question. The question is, you're going to tell me what it means in English. Now the question is, nwanne ọdịnaka na-eme mkpọtụ. Nwanne ọdịnaka na-eme mkpọtụ. Nwanne ọdịnaka na-eme mkpọtụ. What does that mean in English? Can you translate to English? Ọdịnaka's sibling is making noise. That's 15 points. If you got it right, 15 points. Give a waka. Now the last question. Let's see if you grab my 20 points. The last question is nwanne Chinwe anaghị agụ akwụkwọ. Nwanne Chinwe anaghị agụ akwụkwọ. Nwanne Chinwe ọ naghị agụ akwụkwọ. What does that mean in English? Chinwe's sibling isn't reading. I'm sure you got that right. Very good. Give a waka. Chinwe's sibling isn't reading. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Chinwe's sibling isn't reading. So did you grab 20 points? If you did, tell me. If you grabbed 5 points, let me know. But I'm sure my learners won't grab anything less than 20 points. They will not grab anything less than 20 points. If you are yet to enroll your kids in our Igbo online class, you're wrong. Yes, you are. You're wrong. So you need to enroll them so they will learn how to speak fluently. So tell me, I need to know how many points you got. Please drop in the comments. Now I need you to tell me also, it's a mutual game. So I'm done giving you my own questions. You should give me just one question in the comments. I'm going to respond to you. Okay, so today we've learned how to say nwanne. What does nwanne mean in English? Sibling. Very good. Give a waka. Now when you say nwannem, what does that mean in English? My sibling may either be my brother or my sister, my sibling. I'm so proud of you. Kudos. I am so proud of you. Kudos. Now can you sing this song with me? Onye bụ nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem. You're going to be responding iyeleye bụ nwannem iyele. Can you say that? Iyeleye bụ nwannem iyele. Onye bụ nwannem simply means who is my sibling, who is my brother, who is my sister. Are you getting it? So if I mention any name, any name that is your brother or the name is your sister, then you're going to nod. Okay, if I mention any of your brothers or your sister, I need you to dance to it. Onye bụ nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem iyele. Aka bụ nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem iye. Aka bụ nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem iye. Onye bụ nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem iye. Onye bụ nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem iye. Oma bụ nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem iye. Kobichukwu nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem iye. Ada bụ nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem. Ọdịnaka bụ nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem. Onye bụ nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem iye. Chinelo nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem iye. Onye bụ nwannem iyeleye bụ nwannem iye. Please give yourself a sound clap. Okay, we've learned how to say sibling in Igbo today. We've learned how to say that, and then we played a game. I need to see your points. Let me see it in the comments. Now, please, for my learners in the group B, I need you to translate these things for me in English. Translate these sentences to English. 1 to 5. Okay, I have 6 of them. Translate 6 of them to English and then submit in the Google Classroom. Just for my learners, those in group B, I need you to translate for me to English and submit on the Google Classroom. Is that okay? All right. So how do we say sibling in Igbo again? Can you shout it? Nwanne. Uda ole can you wear na nwanne? Uda abo. Let's clap it out. Nwanne. Again. Nwanne. Again. Okay, so just write the translation of these sentences 1 to 6 and translate for me in the Google Classroom. I need you to do it now. I'll check by tomorrow morning for the assignment. Then remember, I've always told you to check for your score. Check your score, check the corrections that I give beneath every of your work. It's important you do that, okay? So I need you to always do not just submit the assignment and then relent. Check for your score, check for your correction. Is that okay? All right, thank you very much. Ezigbo ụmụaka daalụ rinne. Obi dị m ụtọ ime klaasị nke tata. Obi dị m ụtọ ịhụ gị na klaasị nke tata. I'll see you in the next class. I'm going to in a class also. Keep being a good girl, Aka, my darling. Keep being a good girl, Aka Bundu. Keep being a good girl, Omakari. Keep being a good girl. You that is seeing this video, keep being a good boy if you are a boy. Keep being good. I'll see you in the next class. Kemesia. Kodi onye bụ nwanne m iyeleye nwanne